Hello everyone. Today I have activity 3-2 working with domain password policies. So the objective for this activity change and test password policies for domain account. So change password policies from their default settings rather than edit the default domain policies GPO. Create a new GPO and link it to the domain. The settings in the new GPO take precedence over the default domain policies so that you can revert to the default account policies easily by unlinking the new GPO from the domain. So I need to log into the domain as administrator. I will type my password 01. Alright, so now I'm going to click on start button, Windows PowerShell. So I will create GPO by typing the command and new GPO space, then I would give it a name which is user account, then POL, which is policy, then click enter. So now it's created for me. Give me the name that I specified and also the creation time. I will close my PowerShell. So now click on tools and then group policy management. So this is my forest. I will expand domains, and this is my domain. Let me give a space, and now I need to expand group policy objects. So this is the one that I created. So I need right click and then click on edit. So now I have group policy management editor. I need to click policies, Windows settings, and now click on security settings. Let me give it space to see the rest of my policies. Okay, so now I need to expand account policies. This is my password policies. So now I can see that I have six policies. They are not defined yet. So I will double click on force password history and check the box, define this policies settings. I will leave it as 0. Click. Then I can click on the double click on password, minimum password age. Okay, then I will check the box. I will leave it 0, then click OK. So now it's going to give me suggested value changes because the value of minimum password age is now 0 day. The settings for the following item will be changed to the suggested value. So now I have to accept this suggestion because the maximum password age now they set up for 30 days. So click on OK. Now let me test my policy. So click on Control Alt Delete, change password. Then I would type my alt password, which is password 01, and now password 01. Now password 01. Okay, click enter. Okay, so now change the password. Give me the message, and he told me unable to update the password. The value provided for the new password does not meet the length, complexity, and or history requirements for of the domain. So the reason why this is because enforce password history is set to 24 by default, and which means that you can't reuse the same password until you have used 24 default password. So now I would click OK, cancel, cancel this one. So now I'm going to close the group policy management editor. Then now I will use the second options, which is right click on my domain, then I will link to an existing GPO. So I can click on user account policy, the one that I use, then OK. So now on the right side I need to click on the group policies object. If I can see that this is mine, click on here, then I can click the up arrow just to bring it to the top, and I will close this one. Okay, so now after that, what happened, I need to click on the CMD to update my GPO by typing the command gp update space slash, then I'll say force. Okay, click enter. So now updating my policy. After I ran this command, so now the computer policies update has completed successfully. Okay, so now I need to now I want to test this one. I can close my command prompt, then I will then click on Control Delete, change my password, then I will type password 1. Now click enter. Alrighty, yeah, so now I got it. Change the password, so the password has been changed. So by here I finished my activity, and thank you so much for watching my video.